I'm Matt Yerger with ADS, and I'm here to show you our new line of APX dash kits for the JVC and Kenwood direct replacement radios. So as long as we've been installing radios into cars, we've been trying to adapt the vehicle to fit around a standard-sized double-DIN radio. The concept behind APX is really simple. Rather than fitting the car around the radio, we are going to fit the radio into the car.
There are two types of APX installation kits, the APX FL and the APX S8. The APX S8 is compatible with the 8-inch JVC and Kenwood direct replacement radios. In this example, the factory 8-inch screen and CD player are removed. The modular chassis is then installed in the factory CD location using a combination of our brackets and the factory brackets. The 8-inch screen is installed into the factory location by adapting the factory screen brackets to mount directly to the 8-inch JVC or Kenwood radio. The factory radio bezel is then reinstalled, providing an OEM look by maintaining an identical screen size. All the climate and radio controls are retained, and in some cases we can even reprogram factory buttons to control specific features on the 8-inch direct replacement radio. The APX FL kits work with the JVC and Kenwood 10-inch floating direct replacement radios. In this example, the factory 4-inch screen and CD player are removed. The modular chassis is installed in the factory CD location using a combination of our brackets and the factory brackets. The APX screen adapter mounts in the factory screen location, and the monitor cables are passed through the opening in the adapter. Once the factory bezel is reinstalled, the 10-inch bracket is secured to the APX kit, which is accessible through the 4-inch screen opening. By retaining the factory radio bezel, there is no need for an expensive dash kit or aftermarket climate controls.
So included with the APX kit, you will get a set of metal mounting brackets to mount the modular radio chassis into the dash, as well as the modular screen. You will get a vehicle-specific T-harness that is head unit ready. You will get an antenna adapter and a USB adapter or hub adapter to retain the factory USB location. In addition to the APX kit, you will also need a JVC or Kenwood direct replacement radio that is compatible with the APX kits. You will need a Maestro RR or Maestro RR2, and you will need our KEN1 head unit adapter. Some optional accessories that we will offer for the APX kit include our Nav1, which will adapt the factory navigation antenna over to work on the aftermarket radio. Later this year, we will be introducing our Mic 1, which will be a flashable module that will retain the factory microphone. So at launch, we will have 11 APX dash kits that cover Ford, GM, Chrysler, and Infiniti Nissan. What does this mean for you? You will have less SKUs that cover more vehicles at a lower cost. So there you have it. This is our new APX dash kits that work with the JVC and Kenwood direct replacement radios. If you want to find out more information about these kits, go to iDatalink Maestro.com.